Hey everyone, I wanted to tell you about an Etsy store I found, and the name of it is Heartfelt Creations 99. It's Dwayne D. King and his wife. I fell in love with this. I honestly fell in love with it. So what I'm going to do, I bought these two books, and it's the same coloring book, really, but it's the Colorful Gnome Stories. And what I'm going to do with my boys is I'm going to copy the pictures, and I will color the ones in the book. But I'm going to make copies of them for them to color after we've read the story. So the pictures all come with these adorable little stories, just adorable little stories. And I felt that this was a good way for the boys to have memory retention of what I read to them, because neither one of them can read. Well, Nicholas can read small words, but he can't read this yet. So it is just simply adorable. If you love gnomes, whether you have a child or not, this is just absolutely adorable. If you have a special child in your life, if you're a parent, grandparent, aunt or uncle who wants to score some points, this is a great thing to get. Anything like this where you can sit down with them, read them a story, show them the picture and you can say, I colored this. And after we read the story, say, now, I have 2 pages here, one for each of you, and you can color your own. And if they want to, hang them on the refrigerator, hang them in their room, and each time you look at the picture, say, oh, this is the wealthy gnome. Do you remember what his story was? Can you tell me something about the wealthy gnome? And it's a great way to help them retain what is being read to them, what they remember. And this is a great one for Halloween because the wealthy gnome has the witch gnome in it. And this is just a great one for Halloween. But I loved this when I saw it, and I thought, oh, how clever. The boys aren't really into gnomes yet, Grandma is, but this is a good way to introduce them to gnomes also in the fairy tales about gnomes. The grumpy gnome, we can nickname him Grandpa. I'm kidding. No. Sometimes Grandpa's grumpy, so they always tell him, Grandpa, why are you grumpy today? I just love it. Look at the little different sized gnomes. There's a great story as the magic key, but it's also a great picture to have them point who's the smallest, then the next, then the next, then the next, and then the biggest. It's great. It's just so many teaching opportunities, and I don't know whether Dwayne realized this when he was making these coloring books or what, but there are so many teaching opportunities in these books. Oh, you got the trolls under the bridge, the spider. It's just awesome. Just awesome. And I am one of those people that if they want to make this tree blue, this one purple, and this one green, I don't care. You know, I let them do it the way they want to do it. Sometimes I do it that way too for stories that they're going to be reading. I love these pictures in here. They are excellent. I'm assuming they drew them themselves, but they are just excellent. I wonder if he has any others. It says, Dwayne D. King brings life to his gnome creations. Through his storytelling, Dwayne's gnomes delight artists, crafters, and young at heart worldwide. His gnome books, The Most Beautiful House in the Kingdom, and What's in Your Bottle have quickly become family favorites. I have to look for those two. Dwayne has chosen some of his favorite gnome short stories to present in his keepsake book. His stories are imaginative, humorous, and meaningful. You can follow Dwayne's Gnomes on Facebook at Heartfelt Creations 99. Dwayne and his wife Tammy sell their crafts online at http://www.etsy.com shop Heartfelt Creations 99. Dwayne would love to hear from you online or send him an email at DwayneKing@svcglobal.net. always be happy. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm looking forward to all the teaching moments I will have with 3- and 5-year-olds and using these books to do it. Now, I have a basic felt gnome body. They also sell patterns. So what I'm going to do is I have the styrofoam cones. I'm going to let each boy make a gnome. But I've got the gnome coat, the body, the top hat, autumn pumpkin hat pattern. This is going to be so cute. This is going to be so cute. The 6-inch cone pattern. So you can make your own cone if you don't have any. The 9-inch coat pattern. Dwayne's gnome hat pattern. And Dwayne's gnome baseball cap pattern. How stinking cute is that? So I bought these. I think this was one set. It might be 2 sets, but I think it was one set of patterns. And I got these 2 books. And I'm thrilled that I found their Etsy shop. If you have a special child in your life and you want to use teaching moments with them, I cannot recommend this any higher. I mean, yeah, my boys are a little advanced, but it's a great way to get your child advanced too, is do things like this with them constantly. You can teach colors, you can teach shapes, there's so much you can do with these little coloring books that I'm just, maybe it's the former teacher in me, but the more I look at it, the more things that I find. Flowers, mushrooms, trees, grass. There's so much you can teach. This would be great for a preschool teacher too. Daycare teachers. I mean, this is a great gift to give somebody. Or buy 2 books. Use one to copy and give them the pictures to paint. One you color, but when you finish the one that you've colored all the pages, send it home with them so they can have it read to them over and over and over, and they will remember the stories in here. So that's my plug for this. I know this is not paid for, this is not endorsed. I pay for everything I bought. But I just think it's such a great teachable moment, I wanted to share it with everybody. Thanks, guys. I'll see you real soon.